Forgotten username recovery failed on Brickowner Fix. If your attempt to recover your Brickowner username keeps failing, you're not alone. This issue has been frustrating for many users, especially since the platform has gone through several changes over the years. But don't worry, the fix is straightforward once you understand what's happening behind the scenes. The most common reason the recovery fails is because Brickowner accounts were integrated into a different system after the platform's restructuring. The old login recovery tool doesn't always connect properly to the new database. That's why your email may seem unrecognized, even if it worked before. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the current Brickowner website and look for any notice or banner about account access or platform transition. Often, the page will include a link or instructions for migrated users. Follow that path before using the old recovery tool. Step 2. Check your email inbox and don't forget spam or archived folders for messages from Brickowner Property Partner or Platform Migration. These emails often contain login details, migration confirmations, or your username itself. Step 3. If you still can't access your account, contact Brickowner support directly. Explain that the forgotten username recovery failed and include the email you originally used to register. Support can manually search your user record and verify your access. Most people overlook one key step, verifying that they're using the same email tied to their investment account, not a secondary contact address. Double check that before reaching out. In many cases, support will respond within 2 business days and can reactivate or confirm your username manually. So while the automated system might fail, your data is still safe and recoverable. With the right email and a quick message to support, you'll be back into your Brickowner account in no time.